Moody's ratings agency has warned the US it may downgrade its credit rating if Washington doesn't make progress on dealing with its debt. There's increased speculation the US will have to raise its debt ceiling, which was already reached in mid-May. But economist Peter Schiff believes that will only make a bad situation worse.
What we have to do is stop borrowing all this money. You mentioned earlier that one of the problems is that we haven't raised the debt ceiling. That's one of the only good things out there, that ceiling is still there. Unfortunately, they're going to raise it. We're going to go deeper into debt, which means bigger problems. And this is not, the economists are describing this as a soft patch. It's not, it's quicksand. And the economists who think this is a soft patch, these are the same people who in 2007 said the U.S. economy had never been in better shape. They didn't see this crisis coming.
Right.
They've never understood the problems with the U.S. economy, and they still don't understand them. They think that government stimulus made the problems better. It didn't. It allowed the problems to get worse.